Excuse me. I like your style. The hat's really cool. People don't usually pull off a bucket hat really well. I've tried it. It looks stupid on me, but it looks really cool on you.
Thank you.
What are you doing? Is there anywhere fun to go around here, by the way?
I don't really know. I'm just waiting for my friend.
Yeah, me too. I'm waiting for my friend, but like he's late, so I have 30 minutes to see if there's any nice bars to have a drink.
I don't really know bars. I don't know if you want to drink some coffee. This or that. Like...
Oh, coffee. You sound like you don't drink. You sound like you drink coffee.
I don't drink coffee neither.
Oh, really? You don't drink anything? No alcohol, no coffee, nothing? Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So how, like, what do you do for fun, just out of interest?
I guess I like to dance.
There you go.
So I like parties.
Now we're talking. You like parties, you like to dance. Oh, wait, what does that mean? That means you don't drink alcohol, but maybe you do other things?
No.
Oh, really? So you're completely sober at
I just drink, but not too much. Like sometimes maybe.
Oh, fine. I'm British. You know what it's like with Brits. We drink a lot.
I saw.
Oh, you did? Why? You see them around
some
here?
Brits just pass me around.
I know, they're like super loud.
Screaming,
Yeah, super loud and annoying. I know, I'm sorry about them. But that's not me, I'm much more gentlemanly. I don't run around screaming. Maybe you'll see me screaming in here in 2 hours, who knows? Like, it depends what happens. Anyway, what's your name?
Alina.
Alina, are you Romanian?
Yes.
Oh, lovely, yeah, you've got great style. I haven't seen anyone dressed like this for like, I've been here for a week. This is super cool.
It's simple.
Yeah, but simple is great. I like simple.
You're just nice. I like your what is it called?
Jacket?
Yeah, jacket.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't have a special name.
Not really, no. Like
Just
coat, jacket.
Coat.
Coat, is that the name? Okay. Well, your English is quite good actually. This is impressive.
Thanks.
Yeah, super impressive. Lovely. Anyway, look, I need to go. You seem like a great girl. Do you use Instagram or anything?
Yes, I have Instagram.
Sure. Do you want to add me? Just rather than me take your number and me call.
Like, just talk.
Okay, fine. The vibe is enough.
Yeah.
Perfect. Fair enough. You have a wonderful evening. It was nice to meet you. Have fun. Take care.